if it is loud or making noise and you know you ain't necessarily got the funds or the time to replace it. I'm gonna show you a quick fix. It all starts with some multi-purpose grease. All you're gonna do, every idler pulley has a little gasket around it to keep dirt and stuff out of it. What I'm gonna do is take some of this grease, put it in there, and just work it all the way around the bearings until they're lubricated again and not giving you any echo or back talk. That's all it is. So we're just gonna take the idler pulley. I got the red tacky grease. Just fill it all the way around. Working in those bearings. Get a decent amount, and once you do it, just work it in there, spin it around, make sure it goes all the way through it. I didn't show y'all the before it used to creak, make like a clattering noise. Now it's quiet. The more that grease works into that bearing, the quieter it'll get and the problem will go away. So essentially that's all you really have to do is keep these bearings lubricated and you in there like swimwear. So I'm about to go ahead and throw this one back on and move on to the next part.
Okay, so make them run it back.